Okay, we're going to make a box and whisker plot here. And then we're going to check and see if there are any outliers after we're done. So the steps we follow is, first thing is to put the number in order from least to greatest. And in this case down here, the numbers are already in order. So the next part is to find Q2, which is the median. So I have to find what the middle number is. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 numbers here. So the middle number, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And right here, 68 is going to be Q2. Now, I need to find Q1. So, I have to find the left of Q2, what that middle number is. So, I'm just looking at these numbers to the left of Q2, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. So, I'm going to find the one that's in the middle of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 3 numbers below it, 3 numbers above it. So that makes that my Q1. And then for Q3, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Find the number that's in between on this half. There are 3 numbers below it and 3 numbers above it. So, again, now I'm up here and I've found Q3. Now I need to find the inner quartile range, which is Q3 minus Q1. So the inner quartile range is Q3 minus Q1. And in this case, we said Q3 was 87 and Q1 was 52. So the IQR, inner quartile range, for this one is 35. Okay. Now, I'm going to draw a box and whisker plot. I'm sorry, I'm going to find the lower fence first here because we're doing it all today. So, lower fence says Q1 minus 1.5 times IQR. So that means Q1 we had, so that's 52 minus 1.5 times, we said the IQR was 35. So you're going to plug that into your calculator. Okay, so I'm going to plug in 52 minus 1.5 times the IQR, which was 35 in this guy. Make sure that my parentheses in there. That didn't take my minus sign. 52 minus 1.5 times the IQR, which we said was 35. That negative 0.5. So that's negative 0.5 for the lower fence. Okay, now we're going to find the upper fence. I'll change colors here. So now we're doing Q3 plus 1.5 times IQR. Common mistake is people still use minus, but when we're doing the upper fence, it's plus. Q3, remember over here and here we wrote down that it was 87. So 87 plus 1.5 times our interquartile range is still 35. I can bring back up my calculator. 87 plus 1.5 times the IQR, which is 35. And that should give me a bigger number, 139.5. Okay. So our upper fence is 139.5. And what that means is if there are any numbers higher than 139.5, we would call them an outlier. And if there are any numbers lower than negative 0.5, we would call them outliers. Now we're going to draw and graph. So first thing I'm going to do is make my line here. And I'm going to count by tens when I do this. So I have zeros over here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. So now I'm going to do exactly what this step says. Plot your low, high, Q1, Q2, and Q3 on the graph. The lowest number in our data set was 18. That was our lowest value over there. Our highest value was 100. So that was my upper value. And then Q1, we said was 52. So we're going to write around here. It's Q1. Q2, we said was 68. So right around here, it's Q2. And Q3 was 87. It's right around here. We call this a box and whisker plot because you will put a box around these. And line straight down at the median, and you will connect the whiskers to the upper and lower value. And that is how you make a box and whisker plot and how you calculate the outliers.